So we designed a payload with a 3D printed frame, and our goal was to create chambers made of a 3D printed material that would be customizable and also maintain a relatively constant pressure as our payload increases in altitude, because as you get really high into the atmosphere, the pressure decreases a lot, so we wanted to keep that pressure pretty constant.
Alright, heads up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The data we collected was unfortunately not very successful. This, however, is good because that just means that there's more testing to be done and it can help out future UNC students. But the data we did get that was really good was our heater data that kept the temperature within our payload at a constant 10 degrees Celsius that we had programmed into the electronic setup. So we have that to look forward to, and that can be used in future payloads as well.